Hi friends, want to make motion graphics in Premiere Pro? Stay with me, I'll show you step by step, very easy way. First, create a new project, open Premiere Pro and click new project. Give it to name like motion graphics. Then click create. Step 2, make a new sequence. Next, go to file, new, sequence. Choose 1080p 25 fps or 1080p 30 fps. Step 3, create a new layer. Now click T for text and write anything like hello world. Change font, size and color from the Essential panel. Double click the text and change the font size. Then fixed alignment, increase the font size value and change the color. I'll choose yellow color here and click OK. Step number 4, add motion. After go to Effect Control, find position and scale. Click the stopwatch icon to make a keyframe. Move the timeline and change position. Now your text moves. Step number 5, make it smooth. Now right click keyframes and choose ease in or ease out. This makes it smooth, nice smooth, not fast or jumpy. Step number 6, add background. Create a color math and choose any color you like. Click OK and give it the name. Drag it under the text layer. If you desire, you will decrease the opacity of a color math. Go to Effect Control, then find opacity and decrease it. Make sure you will select the color math layer here, then decrease the opacity value. Then back to the text layer. Step number 7, add animation preset. Go to Effect and search text. Here you can see lot of preset. Drag any preset into your text. I will drag yellow light, distortion left. If I play the video, you will see the full animation. I'll apply another effect on this text. And play again. Finally, you made your fast motion graphics. If this helped, like the video and share. See you next time.